Hello, this is Brother Winfred Frazier, minister of the Kashmere Gardens Church of Christ. We live in a world today that has many beliefs regarding how a person can be saved from eternal punishment by God. The New Testament in Acts chapter 2 and verse 47 teaches that the Lord adds the saved to the church. Also, the New Testament in Romans chapter 16 and verse 16 identifies the church as the church of Christ. The Kashmere Gardens Church of Christ teaches and practices the New Testament. Come on out and join us every Sunday, 10 a.m. for worship, or join us virtually by clicking the link below. We are looking forward to welcoming you to the Kashmere Gardens Church of Christ.